Happy birthday!
Di ba dapat bukas na itong cake pag binigay sa akin?
Hindi, unboxing nga ng cake. Kasi bago,
Ito na bakit?
first time natin umorder dito sa Cake to Go. So, baka mahulog. Nasa gilid na siya. Yan na, surprise! Whoa! TK! That's what you need. Bakit cake? Huh? Happy birthday. Baka ba dapat marami siyang cake, hindi lang isa. Baka it's not supposed to be two, it's supposed to be like this. Meron naman ikutin na ito. Yan.
Dapat na cake talaga.
Bagay yan talaga dapat. Yan. That shape. Very sharp. Tasted. Happy birthday!